friends, my name is Parinati Gaur and I am appearing for the SSCW Tech 33 course and I am a resident of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The theme of my story is internship experience. It comprises of 3 males, all belonging to the age group of 21 or 20 to 21 and are all in neutral mood. The main character of my story is Ayush, a 21-year-old BTech student pursuing his BTech in civil engineering from College of Engineering, Pune. As a part of the third-year curriculum, they are required to work to intern under a renowned architect or someone related to the field for a tenure of 3 months. And like every year, since Ayush was aware his seniors has gone through the same procedure, he decided to contact one of his seniors and thereby gaining experience. He tried contacting out to the architects and various professionals in the field through LinkedIn. And to his surprise, he was elated to have heard back from architect Mukul Goyal, who is a renowned person in the field of sustainable development and urbanization. And later on, he started working under him and somewhere around an architecture area in Pune itself. During his tenure, he learned a lot about and gained hands-on experience on the various tools and devices. Jai Hind everyone, my name is Parinati Gaur. I'm appearing for SSCW Tech 33 course and I'm a resident of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. My story comprises of 10 to 15 characters which are female and 3 to 4 males, all belonging to the age bracket of 19 to 21 years. My main character is named Rekha, who is a 20-year-old girl pursuing her BTech from Computer Science from Vellore Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu. And she's currently in her 2nd year. She's also the female cultural head of her college, and she had been called by the dean to inform her about the upcoming technical fest which is being held in the college. Now, like every year, donations were to be made to the slum. So, although all the prerequisites were being taken care of by the school management or the college management, but the dean wanted 2 in-house stalls to be assembled by the students, one from girls and one from boys. So as the lead, she asked all of the interested girls to allocate in front of the girls' hostel. As I could perceive from the picture, some of the boys were passing by who can be seen as well. She pursued her 11th and 12th with an optional subject of entrepreneurship, due to which she gathered the idea of starting a snack food stall, which was a huge blast, and they were able to generate a lot of revenue for all of that. And later on, all of the money was donated to the slums which are residing in the nearby area. Thank you.
Educating girls for co-curricular activities, because that is the main focus. Students are not we can translate for different kind of sports and the youth of girls to we are distributing pamphlets of departments of sports. We are inviting everybody.
The theme of my story is rehab, overcoming addiction. From the picture, I perceive 2 characters, one male and female. The male around 27 years of age in a neutral mood, and the female around 25 years of age in a negative mood. The main character of my story is Angna. She is a machine learning engineer residing in Bangalore, working in Newton School. She, along with her elder brother, who is a software developer, lived in a flat in Bangalore. Since they had recently shifted to Bangalore, her brother had made some new friends in the company who were into some wrong habits, or rather, he got swayed away and got addicted to drugs and alcohol consumption. Since it was at a very early age, Angana got really stressed about it and decided to counsel her brother into getting admitted into a rehab for a 6-week duration. Later on, she used to accompany him every day to drop him off at the rehab center, and later on he was able to get over his drug abuse and only consumed alcohol on occasions. At last, they got a very big lesson from from the incident and continued their professional life in Bangalore. Thank you.
What disease?
Get a diagnosis done.
Give us the proper brain tumor.
We can choose a short-term theme, which we can. Cancer and tuberculosis would be a very long-term theme. Let's take fever or maybe dengue or something. Yeah, fever would be. Yeah, fever would be fine.
Okay, fine. So
First of all, take care on the home.
basic medicine.
She provided first aid and.
Soup and
All the basic things.
My story comprises of several characters, all male, belonging to the age bracket of 25 to 30 years old, and all are in a neutral mood. The main character of my story is Rahul, a machine learning engineer working at Variant Advisor Analytics, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. One day he was returning home from his office in Gomti Nagar through Shahid Path and saw a truck colliding with a jeep. He immediately rushed to the spot to find out that people had gathered around and created a crowd. He immediately saw the people were stuck in the car in the truck. So he immediately helped them out, and with the help of the people gathered there and the passers-by, arranged them to reach the hospital on time. Simultaneously, he called the police and the ambulance which were on the way. Lastly, he helped the traffic police clear the crowd and the traffic jam which had assembled on the highway, and he was greatly appreciated for his work, and he continued the journey back to his house, and he felt very proud of himself. Thank you.
Each other stories, I guess we can agree on the fact that
अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। अगर आप भी एनडीए एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करना चाहते हैं देन ज्वाइन करिए एनडीए 1 2024 लास्ट क्रैश कोर्स। इस क्रैश कोर्स में आपको मिलेंगे फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, डेली करंट अफेयर्स जैसे बेहतरीन फीचर्स जो कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपके एग्जामिनेशन की फुल फ्लेजेड प्रिपरेशन के लिए। फॉर एडमिशन डिटेल्स यू कैन कॉल और व्हाट्सएप अस एट 9795977776। Don't forget to visit our official website www.centuriondefenseacademy.com.